Welcome, my name is Michael, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own SEO super agent using Codex and the On-Page API for free. So it'll take a few seconds and we're going to get you going. So the first thing you do is you just go to Google, type in Codex free, and it's going to bring you to the official ChatGPT Codex app, which is now free. I do recommend getting a small plan, but you know, you could just start off for free. So here, just click either Mac OS, or if you're on Windows, they even have a Windows version, and you just click that, and we're just going to download it, and it's just going to download the file. You're going to need to install it. You need to have a ChatGPT login. So if you don't already have a ChatGPT login, to create one, it's free. And then once you have one, you're going to open up Codex. So I already have Codex installed. I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like when you open it. You either have it like this in dark or light mode. I'm using dark mode. I just prefer it. So when you are here, you are now done with the ChatGPT part. We're going to need to install the on-page API part. So this is the SEO part of things. So we're going to go to api.on-page.ai. So you just type in api.on-page.ai. You're going to go to this page. Now, once you're at this page, we're going to click on Get an API Key. And get an API key, you could sign up with Microsoft, with Windows, with GitHub. You just create an account, and we're just going to go, and we're actually going to go continue with Google, and I'm going to log in to my email right here. And now you're going to see a screen like this. So if you are logging in with one of the Gmail or Microsoft or GitHub, it's going to auto verify. If you're putting in an email, you need to verify your email. So you need to check your spam folder or your inbox to make sure you click that verify link. When you click that verify link, you're going to get 10 free credits. So just on the house, just for signing up, you get the credits. Once you're here, now all you need to do to set the whole thing up. So we have ChatGPT free, we have, or the Codex free, we have this account, which would give you 10 credits so you can get started. You click on show my key right here. And then what you're going to need to do is you need to copy this. So here you got a big string. You just click on copy this, copy to clipboard. Then you go to Codex. The first thing you need to do is obviously go here, add new project. We're going to do start from scratch. We're going to have project 7. Then you need to set this thing. So permissions by default, it's going to be like this. You need to set it to full access right here, so it has the access to install a program onto it. Otherwise, it's restricting like program installation into itself. So temporarily you need to put full access. I personally leave it on all the time, but you need to have full access in order to be able to install a program. So now what we're doing is we're literally clicking copy, going here, we're clicking paste, and it's going to put this whole thing. You click that, and it's going to install Codex. It's going to install on-page is SEO into Codex. Once this is done, then you can start doing all the SEO you want. You can have your own SEO agent that could go and do audits, do work for you, add optimized pages. It can figure out anything SEO wise on a page. So now it's installing, and that's it. I'm going to resume in just a second. All right, so now that's it. It's all installed. You can start using your SEO agent. It's going to connect to the on-page reports for anything SEO related. So it has all the information it needs to be able to do an accurate and proper job and to help you rank in the search engines. So for instance, if I want to say I need a full, I'll just say it. I just need a full audit for my friend's website, gamingpc.ca. There you go. It's going to go out. It's going to do the SEO audit, and it is going to use one of the scans. All right, and now we're done. So we have a full audit of the Gaming PC homepage. We have the entities versus the page one average. We can see that we're below. We have found issues with the subheadlines. We found issues with the amount of content. We found issues with the with the speed of the website. It isolated the main ranking issues on this website on the homepage. It recommended some edits and how to fix it and how to improve the website, and it was just as easy as that, and we did it all within just a few minutes. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope to see you inside using the on-page SEO connector.